Hey everyone, and welcome to Milestone 4. This week we're going to be learning a little bit about web. Um, Please open, this is just a quick video of your PowerPoint. Go to your PowerPoint and go page by page and follow the directions very, very closely, okay? It's very, very easy, but you have to follow directions. The first thing you need to do, you need to go to w3schools.com. And this is just a little recap of what this project is going to be. You're going to have 5 pages. I am going to have templates for you. So pretty quickly, page 1, you're going to select 3 photos, download them, and you're going to pull out the swatches and identify the hexadecimal colors, and we'll get into that. Page 2, you're going to select 4 logos, do the same thing. Page 3 and 4, it's a 2-part. It's a superhero project. I think it's really interesting. I think you have a lot of fun. And the last one is to complete a color quiz. All of this has to be turned in as a PDF. If you do not, I cannot see your images. They will not link up, okay? So let's go real quick. First thing you need to do, you need to make sure that you set your color options as RGB. So read this all over. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read it yourself, but hexadecimal colors are made up of 3 sets of letters and numbers. And when you click on a color, it will automatically show up in your color palette. For instance, red. The number would be, it tells the percentages of red, green, and blue because the web is only in red, green, and blue to make all these different colors. And when you go into coding, that's how it's coded. So for instance, the color for red is FF000, and it will automatically come up for you, and it's very easy to read. So I don't know if any of you have done coding or whatever, but this is how you get all the colors on the web. There's 216 web safe colors. There's 22 that's really safe. So when you get into creating different palettes for different businesses and stuff, they really kind of look at some of these colors and use these first. Like I said, I'm not going to go through every single one. Look at all the different colors of red, how they all have different numbers. And it's just like the color picker process, and it's very, very easy to do. So project 1, it's actually milestone 4. I'll change that in the presentation. You're going to select 3 photos from the internet. Make sure they are clear. They're high enough megapixels. They're not really, really small. Google is fine. Make sure your photo is clear, and I want you to copy and paste. And this is one thing I do not want to do, and I will not give you credit if your photo is skewed. That means if it's really, really skinny. So for instance, if this glass looks really, really skinny, it shows that you skewed it. When you drop pictures into your Illustrator file, you've got to make sure that you do not fit it to the box. Drag it in. You can crop it. You can just resize it. It does not have to be in the exact shape of that shape that's in the Illustrator file, okay? So you're going to make sure it's an RGB file. You're going to make swatches. You just click on it, and it tells you the color, and you just type in the colors. It's very, very easy, okay? Next, you're going to pick up some logos, and you're going to identify the swatches, the hexadecimal colors for the web colors for the logos, okay? This is just some examples. Amazon, they use orange and blue. Voila, what do you think? It is complementary colors, okay? So you go through there, and same thing there. You pull them from the internet, and then the templates are already done. You're just clicking in the color. Click in the color and type in what the number is, okay? When it comes into color psychology, colors can influence human behavior. They can influence human perceptions. It can actually influence how you taste food, and how you're appealed to this color. So I want you to go to this website here, and I want you to review all the different psychology and colors, what they mean, okay? So right here it is, red. It's listed very, very nicely, very, very simple. Go through there real quick. Oh, the next one is going to be page 3 and 4. It's going to be, now's the time for you to use your superhero that I asked you about. The first page. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to select your superhero, download a pic, tell about their superpowers, list the colors they wear and how each color relates to color psychology. I have examples of this. Again, do not transfer a picture and have it squished or stretched. I will make you redo it, because when we transfer all these fabulous projects to your final poster, you're not going to have like the Incredible Hulk looks like he's 90 pounds and real skinny, okay? You're also going to create a enemy, villain, or arch nemesis. You have to make this up. You cannot cut and paste it, and it cannot be existing, okay? Sketch them out on paper. All this is in the PowerPoint. Well, this is the PowerPoint. Save as a PDF. I've got many examples of those as well. So for instance, page 1, beautiful picture of Wonder Woman, has the colors listed. It talks about her superheroes, and then it talks about the colors and how they mean, okay? So this is, you do not have to be a fabulous artist. Notice this. So this is Viperous is the name of this villain. She's scary. Her colors are black, white, and purple. Very scary. She can turn cold and start spinning, creating powerful storms, lightning, powerful blinding winds, and tornadoes. Oops, I lost my page. Black. She wears black because she brings death to people and she is very unhappy. Explains why she wants to hurt people. White, she's very cold, never being happy with people, and she feels empty inside. Purple, she's very mad. And when people think of her, they have nightmares. What you're going to do, this is going to be an example of a page. I want big type. I want a big illustration. I do not want a template behind it or anything like that. I just want you to put it on the page, and I want you to use the templates that you have. Do not be cut and pasting things from the internet. Put it in your own words. You can bullet point. I don't care. Okay. Last but not least, you're going to complete a quiz. You just fill in the blanks, and then every single page needs to be submitted as a PDF. Okay. You're going to, page 1, you're going to select photos, identify the color swatches, okay? You're going to select 4 logos, complete the color swatches. You're going to be doing a color hero project that's actually 2 pages, part 1 and part 2, your hero and then your arch nemesis. Then you're going to complete the color quiz. Complete all pages, and you have to submit it as a PDF file. I will not be, if you send it as an Illustrator file, I will not be able to view it because it will not link the photos and the uploads that you have, okay? Submit it to the Milestone assignment folder. You have 2 weeks to complete this. I want you to spend lots of time on here, quality time. If you get done early, I can look at it, and you always have the opportunity of making it better. Soon we'll be working on our poster. We might be adding a few more elements that's on that poster, but everything has to be 100% correct. So if you got a low grade on one of your past projects, you need to go back and you have to make the corrections, or you will not get full credit for your poster. Also, in this class, you need to complete your poster. I don't know if you're on pass-fail, but you will not pass unless you complete the poster, okay? You can't do it halfway because that is not passing. You have to complete the poster. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I still have my Thursday class meetings that I have. It's my hours that you can ask me questions. Maybe you want me to demo how to do the swatches or whatever. Reach out for help. There's no reason anybody in this class should be failing, because I am offering my time, my expertise, my instructional videos. So you just have to take the time and complete these assignments, okay? I've had some beautiful, beautiful images that's been created. One thing that you found out is when you use a color scheme, everything always looks good. That's one of the biggest mistakes that designers, I don't care what you're doing. I don't know if it's fashion, interior design, game design, anything, you have to know your colors. And I think this is a really, really cool project and you should have lots of fun with it. If you're good at drawing and you're a great illustrator, spend some extra time on it. If you know Procreate, do it in Procreate. This is a chance for you to show your skills. If you don't have the skills, so what? Just make it, I don't care if it's a stick figure, well, maybe, but I want you to spend some time on it and have a lot of fun with this project. Again, if you ever have any questions, email me. Now, in the past week, this is starting a little late because my power even went out again yesterday. So please, any projects that you're behind on, you can always make them up, but you have to make them up soon because you're working on your final poster. Okay, so I hope you have lots of fun with this. Please look over the PowerPoint and go step by step, and also make sure that you dial into that W3, the websites that I referred you to. Okay, have a great time. I know I speak fast, but my videos have to be pretty short the way I record them. So talk to you soon. Have a great week.